corner gate posts are a versatile part of the DuraPost fencing range. The posts come in three sizes: 1.8 metres, 2.4 metres and 3 metres. They also come in 5 colours: black, anthracite grey, sepia brown, olive grey and galvanised. The range also includes a heavy duty post for gates weighing 26 kilograms or above. The DuraPost Corner Post is easy to install. Based on a 1.8 metre fence height, select a 2.4 metre corner gate post and dig a hole to a depth of 600 millimetres. You must always have a minimum of a third of the length of any sized post in the ground. If it's 1.8 metres in height out of the ground, then a minimum of 0.6 metres should be in the ground. As advised by British standards, the hole width must be a minimum of 3 times the width of the post, but ground conditions and situation must be considered. We recommend 2 20 kilogram bags of post concrete per hole. With the post positioned in the hole, fill with water and add concrete mix. Follow post concrete instructions. As the mixture sets, use a magnetic level to ensure the post is plumb and level. Corner gate posts can be combined with U-channels to create a corner, or as a start and finish post in a fence run, or as pedestrian gate posts. This is a simple and easy method to create corners in your fence line. Although our post caps come with an insert, in the case of corner gate posts, the insert can be discarded as the cap fits directly onto the post. Timber plates can be secured directly into the corner gate post with self-drilling fixings for gate hinges. Or hinges can be fixed directly into the post. Gates above 26 kilograms require the use of our heavy-duty gate post in order to ensure the post does not flex under the extra weight. Available in 2.45 metres in all DuraPost colours. For instance, this would apply to the DuraPost aluminium gate.